Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to BMW Programming and Encoding channel on YouTube. Today we're working on a BMW G30 and the programming. The head unit basic get into programming abort mode, so I'm going to restore it, although the job for me is not that, it's to program a new DME. So we're going to see if the programming goes through. Alright, and we wait and see. The DME is not communicating. It's a brand new one ordered from the dealership, so I do not know what's wrong. We program a brand new BDC to this car and so on. It's on the previous YouTube channel that gets shut down by the stupid YouTubers and the fucking dirty stinking BMW AG. Those dog shit shut down my channel. So I wanna fucking shoot the fuck out of him. Racial dog shit them. After I make an appeal talk about my channel cannot be reopened. Because suck when the mother want to shut down the pussy them and kill them like that. All of them. All people too, I want don't do all of the pussy them. Racial dog shit them. Enemy them, you know. Children are falling in interest them. Here's what I do in the basic here, programming my board. As you can see, one of the software flash file has not been written there. There goes in all zeros. The two front lights are like disconnected or there is no response. And the DMV is correct. I don't know what there is. The lane change warning is also on. Just got to put 4 control mode is not responding. Problem. Oh wow. The DME program. Wow, that's good. And that DME, the head unit basic. Fucking boy not for that instruction, motherfucking the bird is dumb enough, man. He's not for that instruction. Why am so fucking unjust? Jesus, please. Man, nah, for that bomb book that instruction. The type team take long to read up and follow. Wow, there goes the unit basic restored back. Boom. The DME, where are you? Oh wow, the SW now respond. Really? Oh, because they probably was not communicating with the HB head unit basic. Oh wow, lane change warning is back. Where's the DME? It's supposed to be somewhere here, I don't see it. Oh wow, DME is gone. Alright, end of the measure plan completed successfully. So the DME is now talking about, it says the DME must be installed, so the DME is not responding. That's why here we have this. And then all these other also will be checked. Oh, it's looking for activation code for this right here, cables. Shit. Oh man, what the fuck. connect. Fucking stupid. So I hate this fucking bullshit, man. We're gonna take a look at the DMA. Come with it, yeah. Come with it now. Oh, the FA is already there, so no big deal.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, Naeed. Yeah, I sent you the laptop to buy over WhatsApp. You can check your WhatsApp, okay?
Oh, WhatsApp? Okay. Alright, excellent. Excellent.
Alright.
Alright, brother. You're the best.
Alright, buddy. Take care, man.
As soon as I get it, I'll give you a call, and then we'll go over the installation.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, Chris. You're the best. Thanks, brother.
Yes, sir. Cool.
I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Yes, sir. Cool. Well. Alright, brother. We have to out David. Long time I don't see your blood clot. Where you live now? Yeah, make them boy move them blood. Policeman are going to them with you. I say policeman, you just do a work to get money, brother. You don't rule over me. None of you not try to go my life, man. On the fuck off, man. We want to post the clot. Every minute you don't want to come fuck with people. Like when you think going to one blood clot people. On the run with brother. Post clot, murder. Now I want to bomb buckler take people. Junkie them, man, they love violating a dog when you have that bomb buckler at work, they love one of them evil. I know, so we murder them. We can't calculate transaction if the DME not responding, bomb buckler, see them one program it in already. The file them determined to be ready. You know, they don't come like this one, where you read out the file blue, the blue mean actual file read out from the module because the module communicates. So there's no blue here. Once you see all red, it simply mean the module is not communicating like it show here. It's the DE right here. So install DME. It show that it is not communicating, and usually it should show up here in the control unit tree. I used to see this right here, but I didn't see it. I see it when I first read out the car, but I don't see it anymore. So I guess it's not really responding. So it's just on if it asks is out. Alrighty then. Let me see now. Let me I'm gonna release this icon here. I'm going to release the arm thing there, minimize that, and I'm going to close out this plan here. This is a measure plan that must be created for data control models on the car. We restored the head unit basics successfully, so we're just lucky. We're just lucky! Just get lucky. Sometimes we fail or shit. What he said, dude, you don't know what he's doing. Okay. This car wanted the greater eye level, so this one right here rejected this, need the FSC code. Oh man. This is who's saying here. Alright, we're gonna end this video right now because this fucking thing is like giving me problems. Let me click all this and I'm gonna close out that session. Alright, let me save operation report. Uh-oh, come on dude. And it's clicking the shit and I'm just wait, let me finish what I'm doing, man. Fuck, this fucking wrong with shit for. Operations report, let me save a copy of this little crap. Yeah, I click yes, close it. Alright, he said here he will try to, I tell him you need to get the DME to respond on the bus network, otherwise I can't any further. And he said let me try and get you back to you. Alright, no big deal about it. Alright, kiddo. He's reading over the car again. So we're gonna see what played out. Due to double, oh, what the fuck is that? Yeah, it's just sort of something about due to double blah blah blah. I don't know why. Alright, we're gonna just oh, he's using ISTA 4.50 blah blah blah. I said I couldn't read out. Alright. Alright, he's making an attempt to read out the car again. It's reading out, so we wait. We're gonna pause the video for now. Alright, here's the car. Where's the DME? The DME is not here, nowhere. See, something wrong with the flex around the DME. DME is offline. Nowhere to be seen. These two headlights are disconnected. Fuck, I wonder if something has to do with Alright, let me see if this thing will calculate measure plan. Come on. Shit, man, it takes so long, man. Damn. Oh, wow. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Lottie. Alright, the car is being read out back again. Blah blah blah. Damn DME. See the DME in our radar, just a shot it. Yes, I jump. Fucking bullshit. You see that? Somehow something wrong with it, dude. I don't know. And these headlight mother not responding either. So I'm fed up with this car right now. You have to sort out the bus system on this shit, man. I think it's I don't know. Alright, these already having 439.20 up here at the top, and then you have the programming data, the PSDZ data, which is the 450.30, blah blah blah. BMW right had control F-ROM version, no. Unknown F-ROM version said no, you're not existence column. KFOS, the FSC code to be written. Open I detected an automatic brake code and coding data not for hybrid. Wow. Wow, this vehicle is a hybrid vehicle. This is a hybrid? Coding data not for hybrid vehicle. So this DSC control unit, it's coming not for hybrid vehicle, not for hybrid vehicle. Wow, this is an hybrid? Oh, what the fuck perform startup, no. No communication with engine electronics, DME. No communication with the right headlight model and the left one. Man, this is bullshit, dude. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Actually, the engine can be started, so I don't know what I'm going to take for respond to that grass. Oh, I'm saying no, shit. Let me go back to your service function. Let me go here, perform starter lock reset. I did perform starter lock reset before. Come on, man. I hate this motherfucking shit team, you're crap. Jesus Christ, dude. Lordy, lordy, you love to party. Oh, come on, starter lock. Woo! Body. Gateway model. I know this is gonna fail. I think I did have it fail. Alright, this is supposed to fail, you know, this fucker right here. Flex rate depend upon the DME and the DSC, the ISM communicating on the flex rate. See that? The communication control model has been failed. Yeah, it's a DME. It's a DME. It's just trying to reset the clock in the DME. And that is what it is not doing. It's not, the DME right here is a problem. That is it right here. Shit. The DME is a problem. Ignition is on. Alright, end of this work. I gotta shut this off. Alright, YouTubers, you need to fix the communication for the DME, the flex rewiring, and so on and so forth. Something's going on there. So we're going to be just gonna close out this shit right now. Alright, end of this video.